State President Bathamai Jonga National People's Party Hakajala Meghalaya uba Prestone Tynsong ubaderu hakajokapor usembot menteri rangba ubari khmi ekatanat kampo yeng uloong maka party kala long ka pynkhreh nakbentak election MDC bat election MP Lok Sabha Habakran sikilat pathai khubor hedin gajia lang shimti yakakam State President haka life waiteri risau arjar pulai now Dr. W.R. Khaluki uba Prestone uloong bakum State President Bathamai unwanra kajinge trai lang ka baklan haka NPP Meghalaya unit
My priority now as the president I'll reconstitute the committee of the state level unit, and thereafter we will also go down to the district level and up to the block level, because we have to prepare ourselves for the coming election, which is to be held early next year. And not only for the election, but we really wanted to work hard, reaching out ourselves to each and every household in the entire state of Meghalaya. So this is, in fact, this is the priority where I would like to see that it has happened.
You have mentioned about reforming the NPP. So what kind of reformation are you bringing?
I will tell you once that is done. Right now, what I just mentioned to you is number one. Reconstituting the state level committee is very important. So along with that committee, ultimately once the committee is in place, then we will be able to sit down and work out next program and next steps, whatever necessary. Yes, we need a bigger team, and then now we already have a team in each every state. We do have the state unit, be it in Mizoram, be it in Manipur, be it in Nagaland, be it in Arunachal Pradesh. We do have all these state units, so as well as in Meghalaya.
But Mizoram NPP is not contesting election.
Not necessarily because we don't contest election for once. Then you'll say that we don't have a units. But we do have, and then we have our leaders, and even the state unit is well functioning. Dr. Lapang, we already appointed him as chairman of Northeast Northeast Coordination Committee of the party. Till now, he kajing trade jumni nangni chakba ke Shillong Mail kumho bang pini kwa ban richa shadu kawai pakoi kaluyeng lapi ong hasor le ni hanok do la de pi ong ha district is kasils te ha ki wei kui pa district te ka intention jumni na party kalong bang inum tia ban le khamtam mental ajan sekali ngin trade sitom batru next camp bahaka committee ka mai la pi ong ha state level ha district level lani what hai ki block level nginam tia ngam ban treasury tom na banda ka jikio jong party juni ka party.
So what is the preparation of the, can you tell us the preparation of the NPP for the upcoming Lok Sabha and MDC elections?
Yes, the work is on the ground. We already planned it out. We work. But of course, little transitional period has taken place because I just taken over today from our honorable outgoing president, Dr. Khaluki. But I'm telling you, that is not the hurdle, that is not the issue. But now we are one. Whatever team done by Dr. Khaluki and whatever agendas put in place to all the party leaders throughout the state, I will also continue to do that. Sorry?
We have seen the name of Bajaj has also been doing the round. So is the party also approaching Bajaj for contesting the Shillong seat?
Not necessarily that Bajaj, we approach Bajaj. In fact, everybody, they approach us. Our door is open. They do approach us. And now we are sitting down, and then we walk out, and then even the detailed information is being collected throughout the state, be it from Pura constituency or be it from Shillong constituency.
Will it be done in the month of November, sir?
Yes, we will do it by the month of November.
The announcement of candidate will be by November.
By the month of November. We will do that. No, see, we are being guided by the constitution of the party. So whether sitting or non-sitting or whatever, we have to abide by the constitution.
What about
Meaning we have to declare it.
what about the MDC elections? When will the party declare the names of the candidates?
Right now we are still working out. That's what I'm telling you. Why we wanted to immediately reconstitute the full-fledged committee of the state level and even the district level, because we wanted to get all those recommended names or candidates from all the districts.
Andy, your wife has been sitting there. She has been ready for a while now. Go for the test.
I'm
son.
already watching the test, Mom.
Son, it is important to take this test at the earliest.
Mom, why do we need to rush? What will happen even if we're late to take the test?
Look, son. You see, that is why it is important to reach on time. Go.
Within the first 3 months of pregnancy, it is important for the mother to get tested for HIV in order to prevent the baby from getting infected with HIV, so that the mother and the baby can live a healthy and long life.
Earlier the checkup,
Healthy life confirmed.
Get yourself tested for HIV during your first pregnancy checkup.